Hello there.
So many people were at the top of their games when making Star Wars, but maybe none more than Ben Burtt, who created the sounds of the first 6 movies, and these are his very best. Before we get into it though, could you take a quick moment and help us grow this new channel by liking this video and subscribing? Comment and share it too if you're so inclined. Thanks.
Watch this.
Not only was Ben tasked with inventing sounds for made-up technology, but also for when that technology wouldn't work. Tell me this isn't exactly what a broken hyperdrive would sound like. In one of the most epic scenes of the prequels, the booming sound of these vehicles really drives home the extreme danger of letting a kid participate in this perilous sport. A simple yet effective and memorable sound discovered by accident when Ben bumped into a wire on a hike. In a classic sound designer move, he returned with his equipment to find just the right tone. Ben created Chewie's language by combining the growls and roars of some bears, a badger, a lion, a seal, and a walrus. Amazing how the right sound can make an information gathering device so menacing and creepy. When George Lucas tasked him with creating a sound for a weapon that uses sound waves to create an explosion, Ben said, "Hold my Nagra." This sound has been haunting Rebels since 1977. Wait! But it wasn't until Andor that it became clear how terrifying even one of these ships could be. And that ominous screeching sound is 99% of the reason why. There's only one word to describe the sound of Darth Vader's breathing: iconic. Who among us hasn't imitated it? Ben created an entire language using nothing but beeps. When you listen to R2-D2, you don't even need to speak over 6 million languages to understand exactly what he's saying. Pure brilliance. Before we get to number 1, which I'm sure has you all guessing, here are some other sounds that just missed the cut. Various Death Star controls. Cloud City's carbon freezing machine. X-Wing blasters. Jango Fett's blaster. And too many droids to list, with some of our favorites being the mouse droid, the gonk droid, and this grumpy dude captive in the Jawa's sandcrawler. More than iconic, the lightsaber sound is legendary, and it has a great origin story involving Ben Burtt and a broken film projector at USC Film School.
This is the projector motor hum. And then making a new recording of it with another microphone and swinging the microphone around in front of the speaker produces a Doppler effect.
Impressive. Most impressive.
What do you think? Did we miss any?
This is the way.
Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video,
Make it so.
be sure to share, like, and subscribe for more insightful analysis and positive vibes. Coming to you from the final frontier and a galaxy far, far away. Live long, and may the Force be with you.